Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE, and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco, and Porvorim.
Power Grid Corporation has come in a big way to give a big cooperation to the Goa government. It is a project of worth more than 2.5 crore rupees, which the Power Grid Corporation will give to the Goa CSR Authority. Under the project name is Supply of Medical Equipment Instrument for Automation in Blood Bank. Plus, it will be available for 2 ALS ambulances, 6 BLS ambulance for hospitals in Goa state. The three of us have signed this agreement today, MoU. It is Power Grid Corporation, Directorate of Health Services, and the Goa CSR Authority. It is in such a manner that the Power Grid Corporation will provide the whole amount in the Goa CSR Authority's account. The Directorate of Health Services will place the orders for all kind of purchases, will procure the goods for them, and then after they complete the codal formalities, they request the Goa CSR Authority. Goa CSR Authority will release the amount to the concerned vendor from where they procure the amount.